Alright YouTube, this video is going to be pretty quick. Back to the 4Runner build. I'll show you. So, this video is going to be about removing the roof rack up there and replacing it with this kit for the roof rack delete I got on Amazon. This lighting is terrible. There we go. It's a little better. So this kit is basically going to remove this roof rack, so that way it's a little more aerodynamic, a little more streamlined, and because I never use it, so I'm going to take that off. Alright, now to remove it, you're going to need a 12mm socket, and the 12mm socket is for what's holding the roof rack in place, these here. The ones that I have replacing it with from Amazon are actually 10mm, but the thread is the same, it's just the nut on the top is 10mm. Doesn't really make that much of a difference. Doesn't really matter as long as it's sealed and, you know, keep all the elements out. That's all I care about. And since this is so old and it's been damaged, these parts already flew off of the vehicle. There's only one left, and that one's on the rear. I'll show you how to remove that, but I don't really care about it that much, so we're going to be taking it out. Not too forcefully, because I don't want to break anything. But I'll show you, just in case you do have one there still. For these two, really simple. Just reverse loosen. That's it. They're out. So for these guys, there should be two clips on either side, either in the front, in the middle, or the middle and the back. But once you pop these clips out of place, just those two, this whole thing should come off. Alright, so let me see if I can do it with one hand. Show you guys. Well, there you go. See, I didn't even try to get this side. I only lifted on this side, and it's so brittle and old and damaged from the sun. It just kind of broke off. There you go. I'm glad I'm getting that thing off. Alright, so as you can see, there are two bolts holding in the bracket in each corner, and it's also very windy. So now that I have all, 8 of them out, all you should have to do is just pop it out of place. It all comes up as one piece. And as you can see, this is just so old and sun damaged. Even the roof is starting to cave in a little bit. All this trim is just brittle and breaking from sitting in the Florida sun for so long. But it's okay, we'll give it new life. For now, let's just focus on these bolts so that way no water gets inside of the truck. The rest of this dirt and grime will come off eventually. Not worried about it now. When it's time for paint, it'll get cleaned, it'll get sanded, and it'll get painted. Good as new. So let's focus on this. And there you go. It is in place. So I'm just gonna do the other ones, and I'll show you the whole thing. These hooks go on the inboard side of the vehicle, not outwards. I changed it over there, but I didn't show you here. But it just goes in. Alright, like I said, quick and easy. Roof rack is now gone. The deletion kit is installed. So stay tuned for the rest of what we're going to be doing to the 4Runner, one piece at a time.